Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Princess Beyond Passions. My name is Princess. In this video, I am going to be unboxing one item, and that item is my winter jacket, my winter coat. I saw this live stream on TikTok and they were selling some jackets or some coats, and I wanted to get myself a winter coat, you know, when it rains or when it shines or when it snows and you are in it. This winter coat is absolutely good for that season. Okay, so do not say, oh, you can never get caught in such a thing. No way. If you live in the area where we have these weather conditions, you need a winter coat. Okay, all right, so I got myself this one. Actually, it is just too good for the price. It was on a limited offer and I had only 20 minutes to pay for it. Within that 20 minutes I must pick my size, pick the color, pick everything that has to do with this coat and pay. Otherwise I would have lost that price and I would have been taken back to the actual price, which is much more than almost 60 pounds. This coat is worth more than 60 pounds, but I got it for much less, guys, much less. So it's a good buy. So I was thinking, oh, this coat is just too good for this price. Okay, so I said to myself, let me see what happens when it comes. And it was actually delivered within 5 working days. You saw me when I opened the package. It was suctioned, so it came really compressed, and so it was just 1 kg. And look at the length. It's so long for me, actually mid calf. This length is called midi, and I am almost 5'8" tall. And look how tall this coat is. I got the black one. It is double zippers. It has buttons. And look, I'm wearing it. The one thing I like about this coat is that the arm length is absolutely good for me. I am a tall woman, and some of the time when I order my things, the sleeve come a little bit short, but these sleeves are quite long for me. And so I checked out. It is, look, check it out. It has a hood and a false fur on the hood. So here I am checking it out and looking at myself in a full length mirror, feeling myself. And look at the pockets, quite deep. So when I'm walking in the snow or walking in the cold, I can actually put my hands into my pockets, quite deep. This one, my little angel video bumped me. Look. Oh dear. Oh, but this is so wonderful. I liked it, so I thought, oh, let me just model it for my people. And here it is. It's so beautiful. Wow, don't you just like it? Yeah, so that is it. I got myself a winter coat this season and I liked what I got myself. Look, I liked it so much. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video here.